student, myself is Priya Shah. Today we are going to revise Roman number. Write the following number using international number. So here they have given you Roman number and we have to write the exact number for that. See the first three example. I, V, X. They are explain about the first rule. What was that? Yes, I is always represent 1, V is represent X, V is represent 5 and X is represent 10. Then see the fourth example. The 3I is written continuously. It explain about the rule same that where the same number is written continuously more than 2 or 3 times, we have to add it. So you have to add this 3I. I is a value for 1. So you have to add 1 for 3 times. So answer will be 3. Now can you tell me for the fifth one? Yes, you have to do the same way. X is a representation of 10. So you have to add and write as 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now tell me for the sixth one. It's same. 5 plus 1, 6. Seventh one, 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is 12. Eighth one, 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 17. Now see the example number 9. I is written on the left hand side. If it is right hand side, we have to add it. But if it is on the right hand side, we have to do the minus. So we have to do minus as 5 minus 1. So the answer is 4. See the example number 10. Again I is on the left hand side. So now what we have to do? Yes, we have to do the minus. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Now see the number 11 number example. Now I is written in the middle, but the bigger number is at the starting and then low number is coming. So we have to add them. Whenever any number is written on the right hand side which will be smaller, then you have to add them. But the small number is written on the left hand side, we have to minus it. Let's check our answer. See the answer. Answer for first is 1, then 5, 10, 3, 20, 6, 12, 17, 4, 9 and 14. Okay, let's do the next slide. Write the number using Roman number. Now student, you are going to tell me how you are going to write this Roman number for the given number. See the first example, 10. Yes, you are remember X. X is a representation for 10. Then 19. How are you going to write the 19? See, we are going to write 9 as IX. Then, but 19 is come as 10 plus 9. So for 10, I am going to write X on the left hand side. So 10 plus 9 is 19. So So 19 is represented in the Roman number as XIX. Same way, do for 16. How will you represent 6? It's VI. Then for 10, it's X. So for 16, it will be XI, XVI. 15, yes, XV. 13, XIII. For 8, it's 5. And 1, 2, 3. That is 8. Always remember, you have to compare your number with the 1, 5 and 10. And doing addition and subtraction with this 3 number, you have to write your Roman number. So whenever you have to write 8, you cannot write it as IIX, because on the left hand side we can only write one number. So this is wrong. For 5, it is V. For 2, you have to write II. For 9, it is IX. For 4, it is IV. And for 1, it is I. Now let's check your answer. See, it is correct. Are you trying on your book? Yes. Hopefully you are writing. Okay. Now we will see the next slide. Oh, it's a game. Write down this as your homework. What you have to do, take any random number of 2 digits and try to write it in Roman number. So you have to take any 2-digit number and try to write it into a Roman number. Then second homework is, take any random number of 4 to 5 digits and try to write it in words. So 4 to 5 digit means any number from 1 to 9 or 0 to 9, you can write. Taking any 4 digit from that, you have to select any digit from 0 to 9 and write continuously till it become 4 or 5 digit number, and then you have to write it into the words. At least try 5 example of each. Thank you. We will see in the next session.